In this video, I will guide you on how to download Facebook video to gallery. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Facebook app on your device. Now, if you want to download your own video, then you simply want to head over to your profile. Now, you simply want to head over to the Reels tab. Here, you should be able to find your reel. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on these three dots. Here, you should be able to find the option of download. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, this reel is going to be saved on your gallery. To check, you can simply head over to your gallery. And here, as you can see, the reel has been saved. Now, if you want to save a video that is from another account, then what you can do is tap on the Reels tab. From here, go ahead and find the video that you want to save. You have the save icon over here, so you can tap on that. Once you have saved it, head back over to your profile, then tap on these three lines, and here you should be able to find the saved option. Now you can view your reels from here. But if it is someone else's video, you are not able to save that video in your gallery. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.